Are you getting enough omega-3s? Okay, they're a type of fat, and in today's video I'm going to discuss the genetic variations that are possible that can impact the amount of omega-3 that you're actually utilising, that's actually being absorbed by your body. Hi, I'm Alex Hall, the DNA Fat Loss Coach. Thank you so much for joining me today. Do go ahead, drop me a like, and let me know your thoughts below in the comments and any future videos that you want to see. Of course, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future content. So a new research paper published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that a low omega-3 index, basically the amount of omega-3 you have in your body, is just as powerful in predicting an early death as smoking. Okay, so basically a low amount of omega-3s in your body is as good a predictor as smoking of having an early premature death. How crazy is that, right? So omega-3s, just to clarify, just to paint the picture, mostly from salmon, oily fish, sardines, mackerel, these sorts of things. Also available in very high quality eggs, so you may have omega-3 enriched eggs. Flax seeds are some of the plant sources. Chia seeds, soy, tofu, tempeh, these sorts of foods can have some omega-3 in as well. So why am I talking about this in regards to genetics? Okay, what impact does genetics have when it comes to your level of omega-3s or your omega-3 index? So we have these plant-based omega-3s, ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, okay, and we have these animal-based omega-3s, okay, DHA and EPA. Okay, I'm not going to go into the abbreviations, what those mean. Too long, too complicated, you don't need to know them, right? Plant-based, animal-based, that's all you really need to know, okay? But what nobody has really told us is that your body cannot use this plant-based form, okay? For most things in the body, your body cannot use it. So what it has to do is it has to convert it manually into the animal-based form, okay? EPA DHA. Just to go from the plant-based to the animal-based. This is where the genetic variation comes in, okay? So this conversion from A to B, from plant to animal-based form of omega-3, is generally a very low efficiency process, okay? Not much of the plant-based form actually makes it into the animal-based form, okay? But if you have certain genetic variants, that is even worse, okay? So conventionally you would have to consume, a reasonable amount of plant-based omega-3s to impact your overall omega-3 index, omega-3 levels in a positive sense. But if you have certain genetic variations, I'm not going to say it's impossible, but it's going to be really quite difficult unless you're making a very strong concerted effort to get enough plant-based omega-3s to convert into the animal-based ones, because the conversion process is so low, okay? So for some people, I've just got to recommend you take animal-based, right? You can get fish oil, you can eat salmon a few times a week, right? There's many different ways you can do this. But for some people, there is a genetic variation where the efficiency of that conversion process from plant to animal is so low, that's just going to be really difficult. And just to put a rough number on it, it can be as bad as 30% worse. Okay, this conversion process can be 30% worse. Therefore, you'd have to consume at least 30% more of the plant-based to get even the same amount of animal-based. So what does a low omega-3 index look like, aside from really this terrible risk that you could die as early as someone who was a smoker? Okay, so number one, has a massive impact on your vision. So you may have abnormal vision from having not enough omega-3s in your system, in your body. You may have behavior and personality disorders. Things like hyperactivity can be driven by not having enough omega-3s in the system, right? How crazy is that? You could in theory give kids omega-3s who are, should we say, a bit more challenged on the behavioural side of things, and perhaps resolve some of those problems. A massive factor that omega-3 has an impact on is inflammation. Okay, so inflammation, put very simply, it's the source of a huge amount of the problems that we have in our body day to low energy levels, some knee pain. Arthritis is an inflammatory disease basically. You might have lower back pain. All of this could be caused by inflammation. There are many things that trigger it. Stress, too much sugar, processed food generally is not good for inflammation, but omega-3s are anti-inflammatory. Okay, they help to reduce inflammation. How amazing is that? Right? Not only are you getting this whole host of benefits and you're reducing your risks of dying as young as a smoker could, you're also reducing the amount of pain in your body. The quality of life benefits from having more omega-3s, just crazy. You could also have a higher susceptibility to certain diseases or infections because of low omega-3 index, and even depression from having low omega-3. So it has a massive impact on your brain, your eyes, your joints, inflammation, right? Just so many factors within the body. Okay, so I think it's really key that you understand how your body processes different omega-3s and just make a real concerted effort to include more into your body, whether that's through a supplement, whether that's by eating salmon, say twice a week, through eating flax seeds on a regular basis. But do be aware that these plant-based sources have to be converted, ALA has to be converted into EPA DHA for your body to use them most effectively. Okay, it's these animal-based sources that have the amazing benefits on, say, your eyes, on your brain, and so on. If you want to understand how your body deals with omega-3s, then check out the links below in the description. Head on over to my LinkedIn profile, shoot me a message, let's have a conversation, let's see what's best fit for you regarding your health goals. We can go from there. Thanks so much for watching. Do let me know your thoughts below in the comments. Like the video and of course subscribe, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.